Hello and welcome. Greg here from Motor Match Crewe, bringing you this fine looking and rare Audi S3 hatchback. This particular example is in fact the 3-door version, mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox and finished here in the optional Tango Red Metallic colour. This in fact is powered by the 2-litre petrol engine with the more powerful 310 PS engine. In the front, large front grille with prominent S3 badging will be further complemented by full LED headlights with stylishly designed LED daytime running lights too. As one of our Motor Match vehicles, it will benefit from a 30-day 1,000-mile warranty with the option of taking out an extended RAC cover to give you additional peace of mind. Round the side, 18-inch 5-twin spoke star design alloy wheels will complement the Tango Red colour, and there's also contrasting wing mirrors as well as privacy tinted windows from the B-pillar backwards. Although it is a 3-door, getting in the back couldn't be easier. A simple pull of a single lever will slide the seats forward to reveal large cabin for up to 3 passengers. 2 Isofix child anchor points are available as well as their own air vents, and the front seats are finished in the optional fine Nappa leather with S-line badging embossed in them. In the rear, signature quad exhaust pipes will also be complemented by full LED taillight design with dynamic sweeping indicators for added style. The boot space can easily swallow a week's worth of shopping, and to create more space you can always fold down the rear seats in a 60-40 split. Metal tether hooks, shopping hooks will also be available, and underneath there's even a space saver spare wheel with a sound system fitted too. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin will also offer you a flat bottom sports S-line steering wheel, aluminium sports pedals, as well as those same front seats will offer additional side lumbar support for added comfort. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Audi S3. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not give it a like now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once in the driver's seat of this Audi S3, there really is plenty for you to enjoy. Stylishly designed cabin offers lots of soft touch materials, and the driver control panel is also logically laid out, offering electrically heated, power folding wing mirrors as an added comfort, as well as the convenience of automatic headlights. The multifunction steering wheel can operate voice controls and Bluetooth from the right side, whilst the left side will operate the trip computer. For those boring motorway journeys, there's also cruise control and speed limiter, as well as a dynamic digital speedometer to complement the analog dials. Radio stations, Bluetooth contacts, as well as satellite navigation mapping can also be displayed directly ahead of you. Moving over to the center console, the pop-up screen will have all your entertainment needs covered. It's controlled via a rotary dial and gives you access to the Audi Drive Select mode, allowing you to prioritize economy or efficiency or a more dynamic sportier drive. Sound system can also be fully optimized to your own personal needs, and the radio will offer both AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception. Media inputs will also feature things like a CD player with various add-ons such as those displayed on the screen here. Telephony is also very easy and will allow you to stay in touch with all your family and friends, as well as offer Bluetooth audio for music streaming. Satellite navigation is very easy to operate and enter the various destinations, whilst the map system itself will offer you crisp graphics which supports both 2D and 3D view, as well as 7-digit postcodes. Audi Connect is also available as an option should you wish to utilize it, give you access to a number of live information that's useful on the move. Audi Smartphone is one of the best features, unlocking both AppleCarPlay and AndroidAuto smartphone interfaces, with vehicle settings allowing you to optimize this Audi S3 to make it your own. Moving down the cabin, easy to operate 2-zone climate control system is very easy to operate via the rotary dials and even supports a winter pack heated front seats both for the driver and passenger. Large cup holders for all your drinks, lovely leather-wrapped manual gearbox is available, as well as center armrest will house 2 USB connectors to make sure your device's battery stays topped up at all times, as well as a large glove box with a hidden SD card player and even a CD player. Auto-dimming rearview mirror will also ensure you never have any glare from the car following behind. This has been a presentation of the Audi S3 hatchback that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 408, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.